Welcome to DesignSpark, the home of DesignSpark PCB, free award-winning electronics design software. Components: editing ModelSource downloads. Tutorial will show how simple it is to create new libraries and create our own schematic symbols to our own personal requirements or company standards. We also see how quick and easy it is to apply our schematic symbol to other components. Start a new schematic design, launch ModelSource, find OP07CPZ, an 8-pin dual inline package op-amp. We will now change this to a conventional triangle op-amp symbol. Let's download the component, click Use Component, drag the symbol onto the schematic. Now launch the Library Manager and locate our downloaded ModelSource component. For this tutorial, I will first show how to create our own new library. Components copied to our new library will also be editable, just like they are if copied to the default user library. We now select where to create our new library or create a new folder. Open this new library folder and type the name of our new component library. DesignSpark PCB now detects our new library folder and asks us whether to include it in the current list of library folders. It is important to click Yes, so our components will appear in the Library Manager and Add Components dialog. We will now copy our ModelSource component to this new library folder. Select the component and click the Copy To button. Select the library. Rename the component to have a unique name. We now select this component and click Edit. We are now at the stage ready to create our new schematic symbol. An important concept to understand is that it is the schematic symbol terminals that are the most important. The rest is just artwork and text. Let's create our op-amp symbol. Keep the height about the same as the other symbol. For consistency, change the line style to symbol outline. Now we will move the symbol terminals to our new outline. Refer back to the current names in the component editor to help select the terminals. Select the terminals and move and rotate to their new position and orientation. Check on the manufacturer's data for their pin locations if unsure. Complete all the terminal pin moves. Tidy up the design. Delete the original component outline. Now save our new schematic symbol. Again, I shall create a new library. First provide a new unique symbol name. Then choose where to save it. I shall use my comps as before. And save it in the op-amps schematic symbol library. Returning to our new schematic, I noticed terminal number 4 placement had become detached. Simply correct and save again. Click Yes to overwrite the file. Back in the component editor, we now need to update our schematic symbol. Select the symbol and choose Properties. In the Gate tab, look in our new op-amp schematic symbol library. Select our new schematic symbol and click Apply to update our component. Looking at the other tabs, we keep the ModelSource package symbol as downloaded. We can update the component description, and in the Values tab we leave all as set by the ModelSource download. Looking at the schematic symbol, we now see it with terminal names added. I now wish to rename some of these and change their locations to tidy up the image. So again, let's do a quick edit. Jumping back to the component editor, change the offset names as these are large. These you will see updated on the schematic symbol. Move things around as an iterative process and save when complete. Now check for the component in Add Component and place on the schematic. We can now compare our old and new symbol. But do I have to do this for every op-amp I download from ModelSource, you may ask? The answer is no. Let's demonstrate building up our library with another op-amp. Launch ModelSource and search for OP37. OP37 EPZ is another dual inline package, and as you can see from the manufacturer's datasheet, has similar pinouts. Add this component to our library. The footprint is already in the library, so we do not need to overwrite it. Drag the component to the schematic. Find the component in the library manager and copy to our op-amp library. Give the part a unique name Now select Edit. Select the component, choose Properties. In the Gate tab, select our op-amp schematic symbol library. Select our op-amp symbol. Click Apply and our OP37 component is updated. Save the component and overwrite to update with our new symbol. On our schematic sheet, select Add Component, choose our new OP37 component, and here we have our new updated symbol. Thank you. Brought to you by RS and Allied Electronics.